How to dry clean clothes at home. Dry cleaning can add up to a significant household expense. However, there are ways of cutting down on your professional dry cleaning expenses by washing dry clean clothes by hand or machine at home. Not all garments with dry cleaning listed in the care instructions necessarily require professional dry cleaning. If you wash dry clean clothes at home, take the time to look at the type of fabric or mixture of fabrics and use the appropriate detergents and methods for the specific fabrics in your garment. Read the label. Look for the label with care instructions on your clothing item, which can often be found on an inside seam. If the label says, "Dry clean only," you should consider taking it to the dry cleaners. If it simply says, "Dry clean," you are probably fine to wash it at home. If it is silk or wool, you can hand wash them instead of going to the dry cleaner. 2. Test a spot to see if you can wash it at home. Find a spot on the garment that is rarely seen. Drip a few drops of water on this spot. Using a cotton swab, rub the water across the surface of the garment. Take a look at the cotton swab to see if any color has been removed in the process. If the color bleeds, you need to take it to the dry cleaner. If not, go ahead and wash it at home. 3. Wash silk in cold water. Fill a tub or sink with cold water and a small amount of mild detergent or, if you have it, silk detergent. Gently hand wash your silk garment in under 30 minutes, since silk suffers from prolonged water exposure. Air dry the silk garment. Silk is a little harder to clean at home. If you decide to do it yourself, you should use a silk detergent, which may be tailored for lingerie or silk sheets. You can also clean silk fabrics on a hand wash cycle in your washing machine. 4. Clean wool garments in cold water. The main challenge with washing wool at home is felting, which occurs when the wool fibers get matted together during washing. To avoid this scenario, you need to hand wash wool garments with a gentle touch in a tub of cold water. Use a wool cleaner, such as Woolite, to clean cashmere, angora, or other wool garments. Avoid putting wool garments in the washing machine, since the agitation of the machine cycle will likely result in felting and shrunken garments. Avoid using detergents with a lot of chemicals when cleaning cashmere. Instead, choose all natural cashmere detergents. Always lay out your wool garments flat to dry. 5. Wash your linens in cold water. Use a mild detergent in a tub of cold water to hand wash your linen garments. Then, air dry your linens. Right after washing, you should press them. They may get wrinkled if you don't press them right after the hand wash. You can let your linens air dry on a clothesline. Linens can also be washed on a delicate cycle in a washing machine. 6. Spot clean your garments. Use a microfiber cloth and a cleaning detergent for delicate clothing, such as a silk detergent or a brand with the word delicates in the title. Dampen the microfiber cloth in warm water and a small amount of the detergent. Twist the cloth to remove most of the water. Then, dab off the dirty parts of the garment. 7. Steam clean your garments. If you have a delicate silk shirt, acrylic, or wool garment that is a bit dirty, you could try steam cleaning. Put some delicates detergent in your steamer. Steam the garments. Let to dry on a flat surface. 8. Use soda water to remove red wine stains. If you spill a bit of red wine on one of your favorite dresses or shirts, use a clean cloth dampened with some soda water to remove it. Dab the red wine stain with the cloth, adding more soda water as necessary. It works best if you apply the method immediately after the stain has occurred. Thanks for watching.